She is old, but still so sex.
I don't like Trump is a crazy man and snake. That's what I make yesterday, a sad old lady walking on the desert, and I started dancing funny and looked at her, and she is smiling and giggling. It was so cute.
First, cut his balls and feed them to the fish. After, tie a 100-kilo weight to his body and throw him in the middle of the ocean. That's the humane way. Aħna Kristjani.
I like twists and I eat them every day. It is a very good taste. Mush yeast, mush tea, imma taste. It was taste good before. When they start selling it, it was more cheese and big. I never bought it again. It's very hard.
Well done. Well done. Getting rid of the garbage bags with the tie-on attached. The tie-on was the main reason why they were such a bestseller.
Small size ovens, please?
Well done,
She is acting like Angela Merkel and called the Maltese people racist. This is President.
I hope, Mrs. President, the Republic of Malta. She's very clever. Ta shit.
All three, they are good, but I like very much his crisps.
I like twisties. I buy one every day. It is very good taste. Burgers and chips.
Is it possible that our E.T. ancestors left us with the tools to make ourselves merged with machines? Because when you think about it, this is what is needed for humans to travel into space. We need to have our brain downloaded into a machine body or merge with machines. We need to get rid of the aging process completely. They say by 2045, me might be able to reverse aging and heal 10 times faster the cells and make ourselves immortal by this time. Number 2, they have already done this with rats, so it's a matter of time until it's done with humans perfected. And cyborgism is gonna be something that is gonna be very, very soon approaching us. Just watch, we will, and when this happens, I'm on board. I'm gonna leave my fleshy meat bag behind and become 100% cyborg, or at least 50-50 enhanced mental abilities, enhanced everything, not need to sleep or eat or replenish with food. That's right, just hook up to my fusion drive, recharge and go I. The future brings many cool things that are coming out way. You will be able to, and just think what it will do for the hip-hop world. Back on Earth, the ability to merge with a machine. I'd love to see what happens in hip-hop on that spectrum.